Crime impacts almost every part of our lives, from cyber scams costing Australians billions of dollars to violence affecting our ability to feel safe. People with a passion to make a real difference in this field are highly sought after, with strong industry demand. That's why we've created the Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice, to help you take advantage of the demand for skills in this area and create a rewarding career. You'll learn about the inner workings of the criminal justice system, as well as the motivation and psychology behind criminal behaviour. You'll also explore timely issues such as youth justice, human rights, and digital innovations in crime prevention. Our academic team bring a wealth of experience to their teaching, from roles on the front line of criminal justice to collaborations with leading research bodies. It's what will give you a competitive edge in any workplace. UniSA Online's Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice will help you to build a diverse career with the potential to make a positive impact on people and communities. So, what are you waiting for? Come launch your criminology and criminal justice career with us at UniSA Online today.